how to log out of WhatsApp. So if you want to log out of your WhatsApp, then first what you can do is you don't have that option on your WhatsApp, right? So if you open your WhatsApp and if you go for the upper right, go for the settings. Here you won't have an option to log out of your account. So you only have delete account option. So if you want to log out, then you need to simply go for add account, and then you can add another account on your device. And once you add your account, your current WhatsApp account will be logged out. But if you don't have that option, or if you don't want to do that, and if you want to simply log out, then tap and hold on to your WhatsApp application, tap on your app info, and then tap on storage and cache. Go for clear storage, and once you clear your storage, your information like your login credentials will be removed. So tap on delete, and once you tap on delete and once you clear your storage, now if you open your WhatsApp application again, here it says to log into your account. So that's how you can log out of your WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.